Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja. We are back with another wig install for you guys, and for today's video we will be installing a unit from Subella Hair. This is our first time working with this company, so let me go ahead and show you guys what I received inside my package and the wig we'll be working with today. And they did send us a gift bag with some goodies. So this is the wig that they sent us. This is their 26-inch Kinky curly unit. This one has the realistic baby hairs. As you can see, it comes with the pre-made baby hairs already. This is the unit. It came with the strap attached. It's already pre-plucked, and all you need to do is to install the unit. I will be leaving the link for this unit and their website down below, so go ahead and check them out. Go ahead and make your purchase. I'm just gonna go ahead and install our wig. So I'll be putting on the HD wig cap that they sent for us. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some bronzer. The one that I'm using is Amber from Juvia's Place. Just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit, just to get it to blend with my skin a little bit. So I'm also gonna apply some of the bronzer to the lace. As you can see, the knots are not bleached on this one. If you want bleached knots, then you gotta go ahead and do that yourself. I personally do not like bleach all my units unless they're like really harsh. Then I'll go ahead and bleach them. But I think this is just super pretty, and all it needs is a little bit of foundation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my bronzer to the lace, and then we install. So this is what the lace looks like now that I applied the bronzer. And I'm also gonna go ahead and remove this little piece of lace from the back as well, because I never like do a 360 install. So this is what she's looking like now that we put it on. Now you get to see the realistic hairline better now that I have it on. I really love this kind of hairline because I feel like it's just super convenient when the baby hair is already made, because some of us, like myself, don't know how to do it. So I feel like it's just super convenient, super pretty, and I love it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and install my unit. For today's install, I will be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond glue. I combed it out and she is fluffy. Like, it is so full, but at the same time it's not heavy. It's super lightweight, super gorgeous. I love how pretty she is. This is it. This is what 26 inches look like, and I am super excited. Let's go ahead and install our unit. I just feel like this way is easier to me. Like, if you have your own method, go ahead and use that to achieve your sleek look, but this gives me what I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and apply our glue. Oh, it is clear. Like, this is the first time I'm using this glue. I normally just use their spray, but this was recommended, and I'm just trying it to see if I like it. If not, then I'm just gonna stick to my sprays. But it is clear. I think that's a good sign. The baby hair is already pre-made for us, so I'm just going to go in, cut off the excess lace, and then tie this down. So to curl the unit, I will be using this Cream of Nature curls activator. I think this is pretty good. Like, it's for natural hair, but it works on my wigs too. And that's all I need. But first I'm gonna go in with some water and then we add the activator. What it's looking like is giving Summer Walker, but we're about to fix her baby hairs, but it is super cute. I don't know, it's weird that I find this cute, but it is cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and fix these up a little bit and then finish styling the unit, but it is giving us something. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I really wanted to keep the style of the baby hairs and I think it turned out super pretty. This is it, super silky. I love how fluffy this unit is. Even though it's wet, it's still giving us body, it's still giving us volume. This is it. My favorite thing about this unit is that it didn't shed a lot. I don't know if you know anything about wigs, but curly units, like, they tend to shed a lot when you're like combing through or when you're trying to get it wet. But this one didn't have a lot of shedding. I just love it. It was super easy to install. I managed to keep the style of the unit, which is super pretty. I love it. This is it. The lace smells great. And this unit is from Subella Hair, and this is their 26-inch 30x4 HD lace kinky curly unit. This one has the realistic hairline. As you can see, I kept the realistic hairlines and it's super pretty. I'll be leaving the link for the unit down below, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is where I'm leaving you for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. I think it's super cute. I gave it a 10. Let me know how you feel. And most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.